Hi, everybody. Alexia and I welcome you to a whole new series on health and energy. And two of the most important things in today's world, to have robust health and robust energy. How many of you like a love story? Well, here's one. The year was 1947. And there were two people, a husband and wife. You know the husband, the man. His name was Carl Sagan. But not too many people know of his wife, Lynn Margulis. So Carl Sagan, the world knows in terms of astronomy, billions and billions of stars. But let's talk about his wife, Carl Sagan. They were both child prodigies. They went to University of Chicago, and they both studied astronomy and molecular biology. Well, the key is that in that year, the electron microscope came out to study cells. Before that, the magnification was about 1,000, sort of your typical high school light microscope. But all of a sudden, when the electron microscope came out, okay, it magnified to 100,000. And little organs called organelles were seen for the first time in human history. Things like ribosomes, which make protein, things like mitochondria, the energy factory. And Carl Sagan's wife, Lynn Margulis, focused in on the mitochondria, the energy factory. And she said, you know something? They look just like bacteria. Oh, okay. That was a very interesting observation. Well, to make a long story short, what she did at University of Massachusetts at Amherst, she spent her whole life showing not only do they look like bacteria, but they divide like bacteria, they have DNA like bacteria, and many, many other technical aspects. She proved that the mitochondria, the energy factory that we have, is actually morphed bacteria. No one believed her for about 30 years, and now she finally has been proven correct. In my opinion, it's not worth one Nobel Prize, but that type of thinking is two Nobel Prizes. So Lynn Margulis made one of the greatest observations in evolutionary history. And I'm being a little simple about it to save time, of course, but one cell provided the home and shelter. The other cell provided the energy. So to fast forward, we take a look at where our energy comes from. Take a look at a muscle. The muscle would be the home and the food. And of course, the mitochondria would be the energy factory. Think about it for a second. The energy of life. What could be more precious than that? And the heart, for example, by volume is 40% mitochondria. Well, this is one of the hottest topics in medicine today, big time, and especially for seniors. How many seniors want more energy? And how many seniors want to prevent aging and, of course, live longer, longevity? This is all related to your precious mitochondria. So thank you so much, Carl Sagan's wife, Lynn Margulis, for the incredible insight in where the energy of life comes from. And Alexia suggested that for the Women's History Month, we do a whole series just on the incredible contribution of women scientists to medical breakthroughs. So next time, what we're going to do is show how you can preserve the mitochondria that you have, how to increase your mitochondria by up to 300%, and how to prevent their degradation by oxidation and free radicals. So Alexia and I thank you so much for having us, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow on this series of the energy of life. What could be more precious than that? Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.